In this video, we will come to know about the string function compareTo. So, compareTo function compares two strings lexicographically. The comparison is based on the Unicode values of each character in the strings. The method returns 0 if the string is equal to the other string. Now, you can see the example. Its output is minus 32. Now, with the help of this video, let us understand the compareTo function. So, I have taken the class name as compareTo and then I took the main method. Now, after this, I am going to take two string variables in which I will take the string values. So, I have taken two strings. In A variable, I am taking the string as Java is a computer language, and in string B, I am taking Java is very important language. As you can see that these two strings are different, but let us find it out. Let us compare it. Then we will come to know the result. Now here I am taking integer variable. The reason is when we do the comparison of two strings, its output is given in the integer form. When both the strings are equal, it gives 0. And when they are not equal, it gives the result in minus or plus values. So that is why I have taken the variable x of integer data type. Now I am just going to write a dot compareTo. Here T will be capital, and then I am going to compare first string with second. So I am writing like this. This is a way to write. So we can see that these both are different, so its output will be different. Now I am again taking another variable, and here I am comparing B with A. So you will see the answer will be something else. Okay. Now third thing, I am taking one more variable which is similar to your string A. I have taken variable C. Java is a computer language, same as you have given in your string A. Now let us compare it. I am taking another variable int z is equal to a dot compareTo C. So if you will run this, you will get the output as 0 because these two strings are same. That is why its output will be 0, whereas in first two variables its output will be different. Now we can print these statements to get the output. I have printed these statements. X, Y and Z variable is printed, and now we are going to close the function in the class. When you will run this program, you will come to know the output of these two strings will be different, whereas the output of this third string will be 0. So this is how we can do the compareTo function. Next function is compareToIgnoreCase. It also compares the strings lexicographically and ignores the lowercase and uppercase differences. You can see the example. Now let us understand compareToIgnoreCase function with the help of this video. I have taken the class name as compareToIgnore. Now I will take the method. So I declared the method main. Now let us take 2 or 3 string variables so that we can compare them. So I am going to take these 3 variables. Now these 3 variables are there. Let us give them the values. Suppose here I am taking computer in capital letter, and second one we can take computer in small letter, and in third one I am going to take C capital and rest everything in small letter. Okay, now we are going to compare these 3 strings. As we know that ignore case compareTo, when we are using with this, it will again give the output in integer form. That is why I have taken the variable L of integer data type. I'm just going to write a dot compare. Please keep this one thing in your mind, that in compareTo T will be capital, then ignore I will be capital, and then case C will be capital. These things we have to keep in our mind. So I want to compare A with B. Fine, I have given this. So when we will compare, its output will be 0 because the word is same, and though it is in capital and small letters, but we are using the ignore case function. So here it will ignore the cases and it will give the strings as same. That is why we will get its output as 0. Now in these three examples, you can see that we are comparing first string with the second, and then second with the third, and then third with the first. But in all the cases, if you will see, our output will be 0 because it is going to give us the 0 value, as we are going to ignore the cases in this string. Now we will just print these statements and then we will close the function and the class. So this will be the output of our ignore case function when we are using with the compare. Okay.